Hey there, welcome back to Money Making Wolves. Today, we're going to dive into some fantastic online side hustles that can help you make $500 a day from the comfort of your own home. Whether you're looking to pay off debts, save for a vacation, or boost your income, these side hustles can be a game changer. So, without further ado, let's get started. Our first side hustle is online freelancing. If you have skills in areas like writing, graphic design, web development, or digital marketing, identify high-demand skills. Choose freelancing skills that are in high demand, such as web development, digital marketing, content writing, or graphic design. Build a strong online presence. Create a professional and compelling online profile on freelancing platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, or Fiverr. Highlight your skills, experience, and portfolio. Specialize in lucrative niches. Focus on niches or industries where clients are willing to pay premium rates for your services. Set competitive prices. Price your services competitively, taking into account your skills and the market rates. As your reputation grows, gradually increase your rates. Offer packages. Provide service packages that bundle various services for a single price, making your offerings more attractive to potential clients. Apply for high-paying projects. Target high-paying projects and clients. Craft personalized proposals and showcase how your skills can meet their specific needs. Deliver exceptional results. Consistently provide high-quality work, meet deadlines, and exceed client expectations to build a positive reputation. Next up, we have dropshipping. This is an e-commerce business model where you sell products online without holding any inventory. It's a great way to make money without huge upfront costs. Starting a dropshipping business. Choose a niche. Start by selecting a niche with products that have demand and potential for profit. Set up your online store. Create an e-commerce website or use a platform like Shopify to set up your online store. Design it to be user-friendly and professional. Source reliable suppliers. Find trustworthy suppliers, either on platforms like AliExpress or through direct manufacturer partnerships, and establish clear communication with them. Select winning products. Curate a selection of products that fit your niche, are in demand, and have the potential for good profit margins. Market your store. Implement marketing strategies, including social media marketing, search engine optimization, SEO, content marketing, and paid advertising, to attract and engage your target audience. Another great way to make money online is through affiliate marketing. This involves promoting products or services and earning a commission for each sale made through your unique affiliate link. Here's how to get started. Select a niche. Choose a niche that you're passionate about and has the potential for high affiliate commissions. Join affiliate programs. Sign up for affiliate programs related to your niche on platforms like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or ShareASale. Build an audience. Create a platform to connect with your target audience, whether it's a blog, YouTube channel, podcast, or social media presence. Create high-quality content. Produce valuable content that informs, entertains, or solves problems for your audience. Promote affiliate products. Integrate affiliate products naturally into your content, providing recommendations, reviews, and informative content to your audience. Utilize multiple marketing channels. Employ various marketing strategies, including email marketing, social media, SEO, and paid advertising, to reach a wider audience. Track performance. Use analytics and tracking tools to measure the effectiveness of your affiliate marketing efforts. Optimize your strategy. Continuously refine your content and marketing strategies based on data and user feedback. Focus on audience trust. Build trust with your audience by being transparent about your affiliate relationships and only promoting products that genuinely benefit your audience. Scale your business. As your affiliate marketing efforts become more successful, explore new niches, products, and affiliate programs to scale your income. Our next side hustle is online tutoring. If you're knowledgeable in a particular subject or skill, there are numerous platforms like VIPKid, Chegg Tutors, and WiseApp that connect you with students in need of assistance. Sign up, create a compelling profile, and set your rates. Online tutoring can be both rewarding and lucrative, especially for those with teaching or subject-specific expertise. Last but not least, we have content creation. Whether you're a vlogger, podcaster, or an aspiring social media influencer, there's money to be made in the world of online content. Monetizing your content online is a viable way to generate income. Whether you're a blogger, vlogger, podcaster, or social media influencer, you can turn your passion into a profitable venture. The key steps include: choose your platform. Select a content platform that suits your content and target audience, such as YouTube, blogging, podcasting, or social media. Grow your audience. Consistently produce high-quality content that engages and builds a loyal audience. Interact with your followers to create a sense of community. Monetization methods. Explore various monetization methods, including ad revenue, affiliate marketing, sponsored content, selling your own products, and crowdfunding or memberships. Track your progress. Use analytics tools to monitor your performance, such as views, clicks, engagement, and earnings. Analyze the data to optimize your content and monetization strategy. And there you have it, folks. These are just a few easy online side hustles that can help you make $500 a day. Remember, success often takes time and effort, so be patient and persistent. Explore these options, find what suits your skills and interests, and start making that extra cash. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more side hustle tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Disclaimer: please note that results may vary, and it's important to do your own research and due diligence before starting any online side hustle. Always prioritize legal and ethical practices.